If buying a flat is not something you particularly like, especially if you live in London, well, let me show you what a budget under £500,000 will get you in Upper Leytonstone, East London. Come with me. As you come into this prestigious, clean, one-bedroom house, it's all open plan, as you can see. You have your living room, dining room space over here, and you've got your kitchen and diner over there. A lot of people would be committed to buying a leasehold flat and have something even smaller than this, right? That is not really theirs because it's a lease. But with a freehold property such as this, you have all this full ownership. This one comes with a Wren kitchen. You've got your dishwasher, got your washing machine. If you are one of those people that likes a little bit of a drink, you have all the wine storage over here. There is plenty of storage. And what I really like about this house is you've got a kitchen window. You've got a kitchen window that has cooling blinds. Very hot like today. Your blinds can cool out the whole space. You've got your Neff electric hob oven, but you've got your fridge and your freezer, and you've got more storage cabinets over here. These amazing chandeliers actually were brought in from Cyprus. The thought that went into renovating this space wasn't just to get anything to make this place just look nice, but it was to really bring the best, the colors, the lights, the beam that is about 300 years old, that used to be a beam in a church, just supports this kitchen area, and I think it brings out the color white. It brings out the aesthetics in this room. It just makes it look so much better. One thing I really love is this feature here. This is a very expensive form of art. So it's an artistic mirror. All this is pure wood carved into the glass to give you this. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. And then obviously you got your heating and cooling fireplaces, and it just brings the warmth and the depth, whether it's summer, it's spring, it's winter, it just brings you that. Got that lovely piece of art over here, spotlights everywhere, comfortable sofa. It does make me feel like a queen. This kind of sofa, you can always change it and bring it to your taste, but this really goes with the theme. Everything you see in this house comes with the house, except maybe for the TV downstairs. Everything else comes with the house if you want it to be included. This house is currently on the market for a budget just under £500,000. You've got your parking space, you've got your garden, and you've got a freehold property. Well, it is a one bedroom, so we can start with the bedroom right here. Lovely white walls, beautiful spotlights in the ceiling. Got a wall mount TV, and this bed, so comfortable. On a hot day like this, being in a white environment just makes you feel cooler, and I think this room just does the justice to that. And then you have a fitted wardrobe that comes with the property as well, so you can store all your clothes in here. So these are sliding doors, and there's kind of like multiple entry, and you have the amazing space upstairs, which is a kicker for me in a positive way, because now if you want to boost yourself up into the loft, you can just open up and make a second bedroom upstairs, or an office, or a snug, or an area where your guests can stay, or you could move yourself up there and turn this into a guest bedroom. So the loft is all insulated, and getting a planning permission in this borough shouldn't be really difficult. So you have that opportunity to kick yourself up if you want in this house. you've got so much storage here. So these amazing space savers allows you to store your stuff. You've got your bags. I mean, there is just so much room in here for a 1-bedroom house, freehold. You have so much space. I think if whether you're single, whether you're a couple, you're a first-time buyer, you will definitely have enough because there's more. So these two are space savers, and here as well. There's another storage as well here. Everything here has been refurbished. Everything is new, fully fitted, 3 pieces. You've got your shower, bathtub, toilet, utility room. Again, more storage, right? If you have so much stuff, you can never complain. There is so much storage here. This is wrought iron. So you've got wrought iron spiral stairs to go upstairs with. And I think this has the best effect in balancing out the tones and the materials that I used to make this property so cozy, so homely, feel so expensive, so habitable, and just a place you want to call home, really. So £500,000 is a lot of money, but this house costs less than that. If you want to find out more about how you can view, whether you're a first-time buyer, whether you're a couple, or whether you're a landlord, you're looking for somewhere you can buy to let or buy to turn into an Airbnb, this is the starting point, in my opinion, for you. So I look forward to showing you around. My information is down below. Go right ahead and click to book your viewing and register your interest. I look forward to showing you around again. This is Temple Close in Leytonstone, East London.